Let's talk about one of the very important topics, and that's e-Pathshala. Now, why it's important and its relevance has grown over the years. e-Pathshala is a portal established by MHRD, and this focuses on providing postgraduate learning courses to students across the country. Now, what is NMEICT? NMEICT is the National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. Now, this concept of e-Pathshala has come up with the National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. So what is important is who has brought this concept. So concept has been brought by MHRD, the Ministry of Human Resource and Development. Then you have the concept which is laid down by UGC, and UGC actually executes it. So what is all included in e-Pathshala? It focuses on the learning courses, curriculum based interactive activities that are there, and covers more than 70 subjects across social sciences, humanities, fine arts, mathematical sciences, life sciences, physical sciences and chemical sciences. Now, in this e-Pathshala, there are three important components that are there. First is e-Adhyayan, the second is e-Pathya, and the third is the UGC-MOOC courses, that is massive open online courses. Now, before we understand each of these, let's talk about the extent to which e-Pathshala has spread. So you have, as we said, more than 70 subjects with more than 5,500 subject experts that are working with e-Pathshala. Along with that, you have 550 plus electronic modules that are there, and each of the module is divided into 4 quadrant, as we have already talked about in the SWAYAM course. So you have the self-learning module, you have the quizzes module, you have the learn more module, and the assessment module. Now let's talk about the 3 components of PG-Pathshala. The e-PG-Pathshala has 3 components. The first is e-Adhyayan, which is the books for the undergraduate and the postgraduate courses with more than 700 plus electronic books that are available. It also has playlist for the various video contents. So e-Adhyayan is first one. The second that we would talk about is e-Pathya. Now e-Pathya, it's important that it is a software driven course. So what happens is it helps students during the PG courses or the undergraduate courses where they are specializing to have learning based on distance mode and also offline learning through the use of those softwares. The next is the UGC-MOOC courses, and one of the most important components of the MOOC course is the SWAYAM that we have discussed in a separate lecture, and this MOOC courses are basically given to students, talked about to students through the online courses that are given by MHRD. The next is NMEICT, that is the National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. Now this mission is again a project of MHRD, and through this we try to connect all the universities and colleges across India and all the education system, the students who are willing to learn, the teachers and the experts in their respective field, and then ICT would be a connecting link. So through this we have various projects that have come up. The first interesting project is by IIT Bombay, and that is T10kT. That was the initial project that started in 2009, where the idea was train 1000 teachers. So T for train, 1000, K for 1000 and teachers. However, this was given in 2009. In 2013, it was believed that this is not sufficient and it should be trained 10,000 teachers. So it became T10kT. So the idea was to train 10,000 teachers across the nation, and then you have this whole framework that was laid down by the AVU, and AVU is a unit of Amrita University. So again, an important question: what is T10kT, which is train 10,000 teachers, goal established in 2013 under IIT Bombay, and this was under the aegis of the Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya National Mission for Training and Teachers Training. So teachers training focusing on teachers education has been one of the major missions on national mission on education through ICT. So those were some of the key highlights that we have discussed in this class. As we believe there are contemporary questions which are asked from your higher education section always, and PG-Pathshala, the components of PG-Pathshala, the national mission on education through ICT, and the concept of train 10,000 teachers, which was laid down by IIT Bombay under the Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya National Mission for Teachers Training, is very, very important. We would be coming up with many more such interesting topics. So stay tuned. Have a wonderful day ahead.